भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
The sounds of the chakras. The human organism is capable of creating sounds to express its feelings and emotions. And these sounds are located inside the chakras. We do not talk with our throat and vocal cords alone. We also articulate the parts of the body which are connected with that emotion. The 50 sounds out of the 52 sounds of Sanskrit language are located in our body, in the chakras. The petals of the chakras are the nerve endings which form a ganglion-like form in the end. There is air and akash inside this space, and this akash is produced by the sound, and the sound vibrates the chakra. The sounds of the chakras are basic sounds of the Sanskrit language. Their japa is advised to energize the chakras. One has to sit down in a comfortable posture on a mat or something made of organic material, light a lamp, and produce the sound of chakras. The first chakra is Muladhar chakra. The element is earth. The bija sound is lung, and this is also the sound of the earth element. There are 4 petals in this chakra. The sounds are Bang, Shang, Shang, Sang. The sound of the bija sound of the first chakra, Muladhar chakra, is Lang. Now, to start, we should start with the petals. So we start now with the Muladhar chakra, the bija sounds of the petals. Shang, Shang, Sang, Lang, Lang, la